Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to tell you about the new notification bar which we have actually got after the 4.2 update on Nexus 7. We have the Nexus 7 tablet with us and we have updated it to Android 4.2, and after updating it we have noticed that we have got a new style of notification bar which looks like the previous one, but this one has some extra features. For example, some of the items on the notification bar are action items, so you can reply to a tweet for certain application. For example, we have this application called Plume. If you install the application, which is Plume, Plume, you will be able to reply to some of the tweets or mentions which you have on Twitter, and you will be able to reply from here only. Apart from this, the notification bar looks like the previous one. You can slide on the home screen from top to bottom to actually access it. Apart from this, you do have a new notification toggle which you will see when you slide your finger from top to bottom on the right, and you will be able to see this new notification toggle which allows you to access the user profile options by tapping on your user profile image here. And then you have a toggle for brightness with which you can control the brightness. As you can see, you can increase and decrease the brightness straight away from here. Then you have the option to go to settings from here as well. You do have the option to enable and disable the Wi-Fi or access the Wi-Fi settings from here. You can also enable the auto rotate or lock the orientation. You do have the setting which allows you to actually see how much battery is left on your Android tablet from here. You can tap over here to enable and disable the airplane mode, and you can also enable and disable the Bluetooth from the new notification toggle which has been rolled out with 4.2. That's it. That's all from us regarding the new notification toggle and the new notification bar on Android devices with 4.2. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.